Why are you so beautiful? Why are you always a beautiful girl? So this is the Panasonic DV-DS30. We'll take a photo. You ready? Jerry, you want a coffee? Yeah. You don't drink coffee, Jerry. G'day, how you going? I thought I'd record autumn with my DV camcorder from 1998, I don't know. I think the camcorder will give you that kind of 1970s look, which goes well with autumn. You know, like that old footage in autumn, you know, when it's like sunny and, I don't know, that kind of retro look always reminds me of autumn. I'm going to go to Auburn Gardens, the botanical gardens, where there's like a Japanese garden. Jerry, go check out the autumn garden in my backyard. These are my bonsai plants and a little bit of autumn there. But this is my Canadian maple and my Japanese maple. I don't know what the hell that is. Check out the zoom. Jerry, you can't come today. Oi! Jerry, you can't come because they won't let you in, Jerry. They won't let you in, Jerry. I have to go by myself. Hmm? Yes, I know you're a sookie. You gonna have a big sook? You have a scratch. Alright, let's go. So I've got my Canon 5D Mark II, you know, you got that full frame kind of look to it, and a bit of a nostalgia. I mean, this is from 2008, that's from 1998. So there's only 10 years difference really when you think of it. Anyway, let's go for a walk and test out this old classic. What's up here? It's a secret spot. The canopy. Jerry, where are you? Okay, so why am I using a 1998 DV camcorder that goes to DV tape? I've been watching a lot of the vlogs, a lot of kids these days, or a lot of the all the hipsters anyway, all the young people in the world. They're loving the old DV camera. It kind of reminds me of just like a lost, like they recorded it in 1995, and now they've uploaded it to YouTube, but it's actually current. But it gives you that that person's now 50 years old. You know what I mean? When you're filming in an old medium, you think, how old is this video? That's just, I don't know why, I've just been watching stupid vlogs, and they're really interesting. They really are, like, just insight into people's lives. But because it's on that medium, it kind of feels like a documentary because it's filmed on the camcorders. So that's why I'm doing this. Plus that nostalgic look, because autumn gives you that nostalgic look. I've done this before with my EM10 Mark II. I thought I'd come back. It's autumn again. Image stabilization is on. Looks alright. I wonder how these photos are going to compare to the photos I took on my EM10 Mark II 2 years ago. Have I improved? Well, obviously not, because I've downgraded my video to 480p and actually I've upgraded to full frame. Well, is that an upgrade or not? It's all the same. I tell you what, if you don't get the composition right, you might as well chuck the photo out anyway, no matter what bloody sensor you're using. Hey Jerry. Poor Jerry had to stay at home. This is the reflection pool. So let's take time to reflect on the channel. I'm kind of feeling that the channel doesn't go anywhere. Photo walks are good. There's a good shot there actually. There's those people. But yeah, they don't really get many views. I mean, it doesn't really matter the photographer, I guess. It's more about the story. People don't really like the story, but I don't know. Sometimes I think I've got good stories and I go out every bloody weekend and I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I always said that. It's more about an excuse to get out there. There's another good shot. An excuse to get out there with Jerry and take photos. Otherwise, I wouldn't know what to do with myself. Because you need projects and stuff. There's a good photo there, right there. Rob, where's the camera? Get the camera out now. Too late. And that's the story. Morning glory. Because look how blue these. There's a good photo there. What can I do to spice it up a bit? Put a DV camera in there. Give it a bit of a retro look. Try different cameras. Old retro cameras. I mean, I could buy a new camera, but the camera I got's good enough. The photos turn out the same anyway, so it's nothing to do with that. It's the story. Anyway. You consciously trying to think of some stuff to do. You never, and even when you want to take a week off YouTube, it's not. No, this is not a career or anything. It's just fun. But it's constantly in the back of your head. I want to make another video. I'm always thinking of another video. It's a little bit exhausting actually. It's a very hard job to maintain that. Not that this is my job, but this is just fun on the weekend. But I can see how. I mean, I wouldn't mind it. I'm not going to bullshit. Imagine doing this and getting paid like top dollar. So anyway, I think that if that ever happened, it would just completely ruin it though, because then it's a job. Whereas now I've found that middle ground. I've got, the pleasure of just using it as a medium to show off my art, I guess. That's really all it is. And if the money comes along, but I hardly ever think about that side of it. I think more about, not the money, I don't really give a shit about that. It's more about is that backlit? It's more about the artistic. I want to make something good, artistic, and I want the photos to be good. I want the video. I want the story. You know, I want the sound to be good. I tried to look for the bloody external mic, and there's no shoe to put it on. My brother's one's got one. I got another DV camera actually. My brother's one. That backlit again. Bad editing, Rob. Anyway, let's shut the hell up and take some more photos. What the hell are you talking about, Rob? Huh? What the hell are you talking about? Where's Jerry? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Pick that out. I love these maple trees. Japanese. I think I'm just in a rut, really. Maybe I need a new camera. What I should do is I'm thinking about doing a short movie. That would be fun. I always wanted to make a short film. One idea was this whole chat GPT. Wow, look at the colours there. This new chat GPT version 4.0 or something. It's come out and it's weird. It's full on. It's like the movie Her with Wacko Phoenix. And I was thinking about doing a short film about that, because that only needs one person, and you can easily do it at home. You don't need location, or as long as the story is good, any short movie film is good. Hey chicken, Ben Chicken, you understand? Yeah, you understand. It's a good idea. He actually looked at me. Ben Chicken, you look good in the light. I don't care what they say about you. That's practicing my short film techniques. Finally I waited for people and I've been jibber jabbering. Oh, there's one there with the girls in the light. Oh, bugger, missed that. Right in the light there, see the light? I think I'm having too much fun filming with this DV camera and I forget to take photos. This is a billabong. It's an Aboriginal word for watering hole, I think. Everyone here knows it as a billabong. Everyone knows what a billabong is. It's a pond. Is it just a pond, or it's a billabong? Hello, mate. He doesn't look happy. He wants to get out. 2023. Carving your name in the bamboo here. Where has all the time gone? Chelsea? Hey Chelsea? Where has all the time gone, Chelsea? Jesus, it's already 2024. I wonder if there's any here from the pandemic. You won't get a 2021 here, or 2020. 2023 is when everything started up again. As evidence, 100 years and you look back, You can look and say, what happened to 2021? Why isn't there any footage? Why isn't there any inscribed 2020, 2021? And it's a telltale sign that something happened when everyone was inside the pandemic. Bum, bum, bum. Steve loves Wendy 2023. I told you. I don't know what the hell this blog is all about. Am I vlogging or am I a photographer? Guess you could do both, really.
I see a fish. I see a fish right there. There's a big fish. That's a cycle, two-top fish.
Jerry, I'm back. Wait. Jerry! You cheeky bum! Jerry! You got crazy! You got crazy, Jerry! Hey, Jerry! Hey, Jerry! You missed me, Jerry! You missed me! You went over, you went to the garden and I took the photos, and you couldn't come. Alright then, we're going to schmacko. You like a good schmacko. You always do a schmacko when I come home. You ready? Shake, shake, shake. Good Jerry.